you don't have a better garage at your home, then it's quite difficult to protect your vehicle from the elements. The better solution for this problem is to equip a carport kit that could solve the issue. Carport kits offer an economical and fast way to erect a shelter that will save your car, truck, or boat from snow, hail, and sun damage, and some are designed for permanent installation. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Shelter Logic Supermax comes with a heavy-duty 2-inch diameter, high-grade steel bonded with premium powder coat for a finish that resists chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. It offers full foot plates on every leg, adds stability and easy access to secure anchor points. Besides, it uses ripstop tough triple-layer woven polyethylene fabric with heat seal, seamed, not stitched for a stronger bond and drip-free seams. Also, it's equipped with a patented twist-tile tensioning square up the frame, and it tightens down cover for a clean and finished look. Moreover, its 50+ ultraviolet protection factor rating blocks more than 98% of UV harmful rays. On the other hand, it has a built-in slip-together swedged tubing and full footplates on every leg that ensure easy access to secure anchor points. The Abba Patio outdoor carport offers heavy-duty 1.5-inch diameter white powder-coated steel frame that resists chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion, and provides increased stability. Also, the foot pads are installed to the canopy legs for added durability and easy access to secure anchor points. Besides, the high-grade, sturdy steel frame with powder coat prevents chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. Moreover, it uses a tough triple-layer woven polyethylene top that is water-resistant and heat-sealed. On the other hand, the heavy-duty bungee cord tightly secures the tarp cover to the frame. Another advantage is that it has a quick and easy setup within half an hour with 2 or more people by easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. The King Canopy Universal Canopy has the frame which is crafted from 1 3/8-inch thick steel with wide legs for stability and a powder-coated protective finish. Also, it offers a white polyethylene which is used to craft the cover itself and is water resistant and flame retardant and features drawstrings cinches to secure it to the frame. Besides, it provides 200 square feet of shade and covers aptly protect cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles, boats, and jet skis. Moreover, they may also serve as a freestanding temporary carport, dockhouse, gazebo, or garage. Another advantage is that its long-lasting patented drawstring cover is made of heavy-duty 180 GSM polyethylene and is strong enough to take on the elements. The Quick Tent heavy-duty portable carport can be used as a temporary garage for extra storage, and it can hold up to 30 people as well. It provides additional space along the sides of the enclosure, with maximum height near the center ridge. Also, the main cover and doors are made from long-life UV-resistant poly, and it's washable and easy to clean. Besides, it has a heavy-duty 38mm powder-coated steel frame with high strength and rust resistance. On the other hand, it features double zipper doors on both ends to allow for access from either end, drive capability though, and proper ventilation. Holding the first place among the list of best carport kits, we have the Paulram Vittoria Carport. It combines with modern design and it's simple effortlessly into your existing environment. Also, with its stable aluminum frame, it provides long-term pleasure without any extra effort or maintenance. Besides, it offers built-in rain gutters and advanced design that keeps your patio dry and channels water away from your deck or patio. On the other hand, it uses virtually solid bronze-tinted 6mm twin-wall polycarbonate roof panels that are high-impact, shadow-resistant, and protect from inclement weather. Another advantage is that the generous space gives you plenty of room to park your vehicle or to sit back and relax at your leisure. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to hit the like button and share this video. To get notified on all our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.